Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you specifically how to avoid the flash on a Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 camera. This is an instant camera and this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, originally, I wanted to make a video on how to turn off the flash because I had sort of assumed that there was a way that I could turn off the flash with this camera. But I later realized that the flash goes off every single time. So if I turn the camera on right now, there's no film in here. I don't think there is. Let me just make sure. Yeah, there's no film in here. I just want to make sure I'm not going to waste a picture. But if I turn this camera on right now and I take a picture, okay, even though it's broad daylight, the flash goes off. You can't turn it off because of the type of camera that it is. This type of camera basically needs that flash to give you the best picture quality, even in bright scenarios. So essentially, and because of its sort of simplistic nature, you can't turn off the flash. So how do you avoid the flash? Let's say you want to take a picture and you don't want the flash to go off. Well, the flash is going to go off, and I thought, well, maybe I can just put my finger over it to cover it, but it still flashes enough. So what I learned was, if you truly want to avoid the flash, you need to get something that is completely solid. Not like your finger where the light can go through your skin. Something solid, that something will sort of also detract that heat, because there is a little bit of heat. If I do this, once again, okay, I feel just the slightest bit of heat for that flash, which makes complete sense. And the thing that I came up with was electrical tape. So what you want to get is like dark electrical tape, like black electrical tape, and cover the flash on the front and all around the edges. And make sure your electrical tape goes over the edges, but make sure you don't cover the viewfinder, obviously. And if you do that, if you can get your electrical tape and you can sort of cover the flash, then you can avoid having the flash affect your picture quality. The flash will still go off, but as far as I can imagine, as far as I sort of tested out, you couldn't really see the flash through the electrical tape. You're gonna need quite a bit of it because you need to cover every aspect of it, but if you want to avoid the flash on this camera right here, that's how to do it. Electrical tape or any sort of tape that's, you know, really like that light won't go through. I mean, even some aspects of cardboard might work, but you would need a really thick cardboard because light will still travel potentially through cardboard depending on the thickness of it. So, you know, electrical tape is like a surefire method to avoid the flash on a Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 camera, an instant camera like this one. And those are easy instructions, and that is truly it. If you like this video tutorial, because that's what it was, tutorial sort of explanation / demonstration, if you like the video in general, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.